Welcome to the channel. In this video we will see how we can write a C program to swap two numbers without using a temporary variable. Now here the technique that I will show you, this can be used with the numbers. Now let us imagine that we have two variables. Let us call them as A and B, and they contain 10 and 20. Now what we have to do is we have to make this A contain 20 and B contain 10. In order to do that, we will perform some arithmetic operations and swap the values. Now first what we do is we will perform A equal to A plus B. Now here A is containing 10 and B is containing 20. So after this operation, now A will contain 30. Okay. After that, what we have to do is we have to write B equal to A minus B. So now A is containing 30 and B is containing 20. So now what B contains is 10. Now if you see here, we have the value that we want in this B variable. Now finally what we'll do is we will write A equal to A minus B. Now A is containing 30 and B is containing 10. So this will make A variable to contain the value of 20. So after performing these three operations, the values of the variables A and B are swapped. So initially A is containing 10, now it is containing 20. Initially B is containing 20, now it is containing 10. Now let us see how we can write a simple C program for this. Now what I have done here is I have written most of the code. In this program, I have defined two variables. I have called them as num1 and num2. Num1 is containing 100, num2 is containing 200, and then I am displaying the value stating that before swapping, so it will display the values of num1 and num2. And after that, what we have to do is we have to swap the values, and we will use the technique that I have mentioned. So we will perform num1 equal to num1 plus num2, and then we will write num2 equal to num1 minus num2, and then we will write num1 equal to num1 minus num2. That's it. We have swapped the values, and after that we are displaying the values using the printf statement. Now I will save this program and I will run this, and now here we can see the output. Before swapping, num1 is containing 100, num2 is containing 200. After swapping, num1 variable contains 200, num2 variable contains 100. So this is how we can write a simple C program to swap the two numbers without using a third variable. So this is it guys for this particular video. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, hit the like button. If you don't like it, hit the dislike button. If you have anything to say, write that in the comment box. For more tutorials, subscribe to the channel.